Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Bratz Doll filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Insta Filters is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She's having some awesome filters. So check in her filter gallery. And this is the filter, Bratz Doll. Tap on it. And you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise. And that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.